Ian Fleming's International Airport. There we there. See it? Yeah, International. Ian Fleming's, yeah, International Airport. Show Portland one little piece of walk going down here. Yeah, come. Yeah, man. Ian Fleming's International. Check all them planes out. Yeah, man. Yeah, come back. I have some people I'm going to start travel with. Come here, so you see it. Yo, there's some picture me I take. Ian Fleming's International Airport to the world.
This is an airport, sir. You're not allowed to film anything when you see over there.
But why?
Huh?
Why you do? You not rob nobody, we just a film.
Restricted area.
Restricted me that town and a film town. A idiot thing you not tell me. Idiot thing you tell me security. Me that town all a film town. Mobile. Nobody not tell me say I can't film when I go to town. A idiot thing you tell me. Ian Fleming's Airport. Man film anywhere, Bridget. To the world. Ian Fleming's Airport.
Are you driving car, boss?
Yeah. Me know. I do some picture me I take out the place. A big one up now. Veteran TV me name. Go on YouTube. A big one up.
Alright, sir.
To the world.
Yes, sir.
Ian Fleming's International Airport. To the world. You know, Veteran TV in Darcy. You see it? Crazy? Yo, people are use it up to you know. Ian Fleming's International Airport. People are use it up to you know, daddy. You see me? Shoot that tour. The people are coming in from all angles to the airport, daddy. Crazy? Ian Fleming's International Airport to the world. And the people are aboard it, you know. Man. That me know town too far. Yeah, man, at Ian Fleming's International Airport and them pretty roses are inside here. To the world. To the boys, to the girl. To all my ladies from Veteran TV. Here is a rose for you all. And the next beautiful rose. This one is a pink one. To the world. For all my ladies. Veteran TV. See my sister them there? See them? Yeah. Ian Fleming's International Airport to the world. Veteran TV. Crazy.